Welcome to Takibur channel. Hello guys, today I share with you 5 useful tips to help you grow your YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the biggest social networks. In fact, it's even surpassed Facebook. And in this age of visual marketing, YouTube is also one of the best platforms for promoting yourself, your business, or your blog. In this video, I am going to share 5 useful YouTube tips to help you grow your channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Create awesome visual for your channel and videos. Just like with any social networks, your account's presentation is extremely important. You want your channel to look great and your videos to have thumbnails that make many people want to click on your videos. You need 2 types of YouTube channel. A YouTube banner for your channel like TripAdvisor's blog. TripAdvisor's your YouTube banner, and custom thumbnails for all the videos or you publish marketing tips YouTube thumbnail. For your channel banner, head over to banners and click on YouTube to see your banner template options. Finish YouTube banner templates. Then simply customize the template to your liking to reflect your channel's topics. Upload your own images, add text, change the background, and so on. There are literally a plethora of options to create custom video thumbnails. Those video previews you get in YouTube search results. Start with a blank canvas. To set the right dimensions, click on setting and enter the following: 1080 by 720 pixels. Finish editor, then add an image from your video or something related to your video. Add text to make it clear what the video is about, and make any other customization you want. You can then save your thumbnail as a template so you can reuse for. Number 2. Create a posting schedule. How often do you post new videos on your channel? Do you have a set schedule that you follow, or do you just post when you have at the time? Ideally, if you want to grow your channel, it's very important to keep a schedule and post new videos on set days and set times. For one, more videos means you will reach more people and guarantee your engagement, all of which also helps you with your YouTube search engine ranking. And 2, if people know when they are getting new videos from you, they are more likely to come back, especially as not everyone is going to subscribe to your channel even if you do watch your videos frequently enough. Take the time to put together a YouTube plan together with a posting schedule, not just the days you are posting, but also the time. This will also help to you make sure you have got your videos ready in time, and that will be able to properly research your topics and keywords for your video. Keep in mind that the more frequently you post, the more views and subscribers you are likely to get. In fact, Social Media Examiner recommends you post to YouTube at least 3 times a week. That might be a bit grueling for most, but it is not set in stone. Take on as such as you can handle, but make sure you are expecting your publishing calendar. Number 3. Create a series of videos to get people to keep coming back for more. One of the factors that count towards your YouTube search engine ranking is your watch time. So the question is, how do you create a YouTube channel that allows users to spend more time watching your videos? One of the best ways that you can do this is by creating a series of videos on specific topics. For example, Greg Vaynerchuk has several series on his channel, like his Daily V show, where he documents his life as an entrepreneur. Grey Vaynerchuk YouTube channel or the Gravy Show, where he talks to top marketers, entrepreneurs, and the like on the marketing and entrepreneurship related to subjects. Ask Gravy Show on the YouTube. These types of series give people a reason to keep coming back for more. What's more, if they watch and liked on the episode, they might stick around and binge watch the rest. Another great example of a YouTube series is Takibur blog Top 10 Rules for Success. Every Wednesday at 8 p.m. to publishes a new video in the series to encourage people to come back week after week. Takibur blog YouTube channel. Number 4. Encourage viewers to engage with you. In order to grow your channel, you need to actively engage your audience. It is, after all, a social network, and the social aspect is quite important. There are several ways that you can encourage engagement. For example, ask questions and ask for opinions in your videos. For example, if you are making a how-to video explaining how to create great video thumbnails, you should ask your viewers what your other question they have, what tools they use, or else you want to learn. Ask question in your video description, including if you are asking them in your video as well. You should repeat the question in the description to further encourage people to leave the comment. Post updates in your community tab located on your channel's page. You can post images, GIFs, videos, previews, text updates, and polls. For example, you could poll your audience on what topic to cover in your next video, post previews of your upcoming video, or post behind the scenes image from filming a video. Community tab YouTube. And of course, once you do get comments, it's extremely important to respond to them in timely manner. It encourages views, subscribers, and engagement. To help manage your channel, you can use to like Agraph Plus for responding to comments more easily and quickly. You will have a social inbox where you will be able to see all of your comments and respond to them, as well as assign comments to other people who are collaborating on your YouTube channel. What's more, you can save replies that you find yourself typing over and over, like response to a complimentary comment. For example, to save more time. Agraph Plus, and plus you also get the benefit of YouTube channel monitoring, so you can catch any mention of you on YouTube and take action as soon as possible. Number 5. Improve your video SEO. YouTube search engine optimization is very important, as a lot of people find videos via the search engine, and if you want your video to pop up in their search result, then you need to properly optimize them and with tags and keywords. To help research keywords and tags, you can use the YouTube certified browser extension TubeBuddy. There are numerous other options, but the best part about TubeBuddy is that it has several the video SEO research that come in very handy, such as best practice audits to find out whether you are following all of the YouTube recommendations, service tags, a tool that allows you see what tags your competitors are using and copy them, as well as a tool for creating video A to be tested among. You should always research keywords and tags before creating or publishing any new content on YouTube. Spend time to find out what topics interest your audience and create content accordingly based on specific long tail keywords. You can complement your keyword strategy with timestamps that let reviewers jump to a specific section and that search engine can find. And just like with blogs, use the keywords as close to the beginning of your video's title as possible and make sure to include them in your videos and description as well. At last of all, YouTube can be a very powerful promotional tool if you make the most of your videos and YouTube features. Create awesome visual content to help promote your videos and channels. Post new videos more frequently and respect your schedule. Create a video series to encourage binge watching and get more people to come back for more. Encourage engagement with viewers and subscribers to help grow your channel. Optimize your videos for the YouTube search engine to reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and click on bell button for this next video notification. Thank you so much.